Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you the React.js application where you will upload a image file to Cloudinary. Cloudinary is actually a service where you upload your image files or any files for matter. So it is useful for it's a image sharing website cloudinary.com. So I have already created one account right here. So we have this media folder. I have already some images present. I will now show you in this video how you can directly upload files inside your React.js application by making a simple REST API call. We have this interface as if I choose any image file, let's suppose this PNG file, and we have this upload button. So it will show you this nice little progress bar, and once the image uploads, you will see the image is uploaded, and you will see this hyperlink. If I click this, you will see the image is successfully uploaded to Cloudinary. It gives you this address of this image, and also if I refresh this dashboard in the media folder, you will see the image will get added. So you can see the image is automatically uploaded. So this is the application we will be building right here, and for doing this we are using Bootstrap for building the user interface. So just make sure that you install these two plugins or libraries, React Bootstrap and Bootstrap. So I've already installed these two. So all the source code is given in the description. So now let's get started. I will start it from scratch. So just make a simple functional component, and now at the very top we will import all the components from React Bootstrap and the base Bootstrap CSS file, which is a CDN. I've already imported all these pre-made components which is coming from React Bootstrap, and now to actually build out this application we need some state variables. First state variable will be to keep track of which file is selected by the user. So selected file set selected file, and you'll be using the useState hook which is provided in React.js. The initial value I will give it as null. Then we have to have a variable for actually detecting whether the user is uploading or not. So for this we have this boolean parameter uploading set uploading. Initial value will be false whenever you load the application for the very first time. And then we need to have a variable for the uploaded image. So I will show you the uploaded image once the image is uploaded. So again this will be null. Lastly we have the error for if any sort of error take place we will show this. So initial value will be null. So we have declared these four variables for keep track of the file. Then we have a boolean parameter for showing whether the uploading is going on or not, then the output image URL and the error. These four variables are there. Now coming back to the JSX, we have a simple form right here. We'll be using the container component of Bootstrap, and we will wrap everything right here. Inside this we're giving a class name, and inside the row we will actually have the class name which will be justify. We'll be making this all in the center position, so justify content center, and we'll be having the column medium will be 6. So right here we'll have an h2 tag which will simply have a class name. Text center will be aligning the text in the center position, and simply say image upload to Cloudinary. And after this we will actually have a simple form where we will allow the user to simply upload the file that they want to upload inside form group, and I will just give it a control ID which is a form file, giving a class name to it, margin bottom 3, and inside this we will actually allow the user, we will have a form label, and it will simply say to the user that select an image, and then we'll be having a simple control where we allow the user. So this will be of type file, and we'll be binding an on change event handler. So whenever you select any file, this custom function that we will define, handle file change, will execute. So now I just need to define this handle file change function. So e parameter will automatically be passed in right here. So if you refresh your application, what you will see this choose file button appearing. So now we just need to actually allow the user to simply select the file, and just after this input field we will have a button to submit the form. So we'll have this bootstrap component button, and the color of the button will be primary, which is blue color, and I will bind an on click listener to the button. So whenever you click the button, we will execute this handle upload. So the button will be disabled. It will be dependent upon this uploading boolean parameter. By default this value is false, so the button will not be disabled, it will be shown. If you refresh, it is saying that you should define this function handle upload. So I will just apply. So inside this function you will allow the user to upload the file. So just write a simple text on this button, which will be, let's suppose, upload. So you will see upload is there. So once I click this button, I need to upload the file. So we now need to first of all get the file inside handle change. So whenever user selects a file, we need to set the selected file, use this hook function to e.target.files and select the first file. So we are setting the file which is selected by the user, and we will be setting the error to be null. And then we will set the images URL to also be null. We're using these functions right here to set the values right here, you will see. And once you get the file, it's now easy once you click the button to upload the file. So just make sure that you make this function async handle upload. So right here, first of all, we have this if condition that if the file is not present, in that case, we'll set a error that please select a file to upload, and then we'll be returning. We'll not execute the code. And after this, we will make a simple REST call to Cloudinary. So make a new form data object, and inside this form data object, we will append the actual file that needs to be uploaded, which is stored in this variable selected file. And one more thing, we also need to append two more variables. This variable will be for upload preset, and whatever is your Cloudinary preset, I will show you how to get this information, and also your cloud name. We need to define a variable here, cloud name, and these two information which will be coming from your own Cloudinary dashboard. So just create a Cloudinary account. I've already created one, so just go to your this option, program media. So here you will find out your own cloud name. So my cloud name is coding Siksha. Yeah, so I will just copy this name and paste it. You need to pass this information in the REST API call. And then you need to go to settings option, and inside your settings you will find your upload preset. This means that in which folder you need to, here you will find this option, upload presets. Just click this. I've already created two presets, so I will just upload in this preset. So just copy this and paste. If you want to create a new preset, there is a button out there. You can click the button, just give it a preset name, and then click on save. So it is just a location where you need to save your files. So once you get this two information, now we can simply make the REST API call in the try catch block. So right here, first of all, you will need to show the progress bar. So I will set uploading to be true, and then we'll make a simple REST call. So we'll define a variable response. We'll make a fetch call to this endpoint https api.cloudinary.com/version1 underscore 1, and this is your cloud name. You again need to replace your own cloud name right here. So we have defined this cloud name, so we are mentioning it right here, and slash image slash upload. This is the endpoint, and here you need to make a simple post request and pass your form data object in the body. So we are passing our form data object, which we have actually passing it in this post request. So once you make this post request, we need to convert your data into JSON. So we'll converting our response to JSON, and now we'll be comparing that if the file is uploaded, we can even console log the data. So there is a property right here. It will come when the file is uploaded, which is secure URL. So it will actually be the image URL which is uploaded. So we need to set this image URL, which is data.secure URL, and reset the form, and then reset it to null. And if the file is not uploaded in the else block, you can actually show this error to the user that failed to upload the image. Please try again. That's all. So this is all the JavaScript code is complete. So once you actually see, if I choose any file, let's suppose this file, and if I also open the console, click on the upload option, you will not see the progress bar, but if you see the file is uploaded and we get this object. Inside this object, we get actually your asset ID created at original file name placeholder. So you also get your secure URL. So this is the actual URL. Once the image uploads, it will give you this unique URL. So now we need to show this image once the image gets uploaded. So right here in the JSX, we also will change the button text depending upon whether, so inside this you will programmatically show if the value of uploading is true. In that case, we need to show the progress bar. So this is a loading spinner that we are showing it using Bootstrap. There is a spinner component. So if the value is false, then we are showing upload. And after this form, we also need to show the uploaded image. So if the image URL is defined, in that case only, we need to show the, in a card-like structure, we will show this image. We'll give it a class name of margin top 4, and then it has card image component, and inside variant I will use the top variant, and source I will equal to the image URL variable. And we can, inside your card body, we can actually show the actual image, the description on the URL of the image. So here we are simply showing this image. You can see this is actually the link. We are having this anchor tag. So whenever you click this link, you will be redirected to the image URL. So that's all. This completes the application. If you now choose the image file, click on, you will see this spinner appearing. And once the image is uploaded, you will see view uploaded image, and you can actually see the file is uploaded. It will give you this link. So in this way, you can actually make this uh, application in React.js to actually allow file upload to Cloudinary, so using Bootstrap. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of free tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.